fenomena-fenomena mengejutkan yang terjadi sebelum kebakaran hebat di Los Angeles yang mungkin tak diberitakan media televisi. Sampai saat ini, Los Angeles belum padam sepenuhnya. Warga Los Angeles masih mendapatkan red flag, yang artinya peringatan di beberapa wilayah yang kemungkinan bisa terjadi kebakaran. Per tanggal 17 Januari waktu Amerika, bahkan masih terjadi angin kencang yang menyebabkan kebakaran di beberapa titik. Ada fenomena-fenomena aneh yang direkam oleh warga. Beberapa hari sebelum kejadian atau setelah kejadian yang mungkin tidak dibahas media televisi, video ini direkam langsung oleh warga Los Angeles, dan mari kita bahas. Penampakan ribuan burung berterbangan dari hutan menuju kota, tepat 1 minggu sebelum kejadian kebakaran yang melalap Los Angeles. Video ini direkam oleh warga Los Angeles yang sedang berada di perjalanan. Dia bingung kenapa burung-burung ini terbang secara berkelompok dan begitu banyak, tak seperti biasanya.
Oh, see this? Bro, what is going on? Is it hibernation season? Like, I don't get it. Bro, what? Yes. Oh my god, Becky, look at what?
Tidak hanya satu, tetapi warga Los Angeles lainnya juga merekam penampakan ribuan burung terbang di atap-atap rumah mereka dan terbang secara bersamaan dari perbukitan menuju perkotaan. Penampakan cahaya putih terbang ke langit? Ya, kita tahu Amerika tidak percaya hal-hal seperti ini. Video ini direkam oleh seorang pria Amerika yang melihat dari rekaman streaming siaran Fox News ada benda bercahaya glowing bergerak cepat ke langit saat terjadi kebakaran. Dia juga tidak mau berprasangka aneh. Dan menurutnya, bisa saja itu benda yang ringan, melayang di bawah angin, atau sebuah drone televisi. Tapi setelah diperhatikan, tidak mungkin drone terbang seperti itu. Dan jika itu benda yang melayang, kenapa ada berkas cahaya yang mengikutinya? Pria ini juga tidak mau berpikir mistis. Tapi menurutnya, hampir di setiap kejadian, pasti ada aja penampakan atau tanda-tanda yang didapati. Seperti orbs yang melayang seperti ini.
Guys, remember that bit of footage I posted yesterday about Fox News streaming an object going Mach fuck across the sky? Well, guess what I've just found right now? Look at this object, right? I'm going to enhance it, I'm going to zoom it in, we're going to track it as well, and we're going to look at the trajectory of this object. It's flipping in the air and leaving a trail much like we saw on Fox News. This bit of footage was coming from a live feed overlooking the sea from LA, and it was initially just shrugged off as a drone sighting because, you know, the firefighters and people of the emergency services use drones during wildfires and disasters to update boots on the ground about the current situation. But if we look closer to this, I am going to say this is something completely different. The way it moves, the way it's tumbling through the air, it's glowing and it's leaving a trail behind. There are some sort of theories that you could say, alright, is this object on fire and is it getting blown by the winds and leaving a trail? quite possibly be. But to me, this doesn't kind of ring in that sort of area. I don't know. If it was on fire, I think it would be brighter, and maybe you'd see more bits falling off of it. I'm not sure, but it just looks like some sort of just glowing object, morphing, changing shapes, and tumbling through the air. Look at that. What is that? Right, I mean, we're seeing this everywhere. And whenever there's a severe natural disaster or a man-made disaster, there is a giant uptick in UAP sightings of glowing orbs, things moving around weirdly, things hovering like they're surveying the area. Like we had the Hiroshima incident in 1945. After that went off, there was these things that were reported, orbs and whatever not. You can read up on it. Chernobyl, same thing, massive disaster, UAPs flying all over, people reporting them and couldn't understand what they were. 1986, check that out. And the Fukushima nuclear disaster as well. Again, like these things are always around wherever there is something going on. Are they observing? If it is something of ET origin, are they observing? Are they trying to mitigate? Are they taking, I don't know, scanning the severity of the situation? You let me know. That's just a thought that crossed my head. Check it out. I'm real.
Ada cahaya yang terekam kamera saat live streaming. Cahaya berwarna biru itu seketika muncul dan hilang dengan cepat dari awan-awan gelap saat kebakaran.
And then what the fuck is that shit, bro? What is that?
Nah, itulah fenomena-fenomena yang terjadi sebelum dan sesaat setelah kebakaran di Los Angeles. Bagaimana menyikapinya semua kembali kepada penonton masing-masing. Dan sampai jumpa pada video selanjutnya. Bye-bye!